How to use American Airlines vouchers. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So using an American Airline voucher depends on the type you have: e-vouchers, trip credits, flight credits, or paper travel vouchers. And here's a straightforward guide to help you redeem them. So e-vouchers are electronic and can be used directly on the American Airlines website. Go ahead and visit any browser, any mobile device, and then simply search for aa.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply select your flight and then proceed to the payment page. Enter your e-voucher number and then PIN in the designated field. And just like so, you'll then be able to redeem them. E-vouchers are valid for 1 year from the issue date and can only be used for flight purchases, not for extras like seats or baggage fee. So trip credits are issued for cancelled ticket or as compensation and are more flexible. So you want to go ahead and simply log in to your Advantage account on aa.com, select your flight and proceed to checkout. Choose trip credit as your payment option and enter the required details. For Advantage members, trip credits are valid for 12 months, and for non-members, they expire in 6 months. And flight credits are issued for unused tickets and have a specific usage rule. So visit the aa.com, select your flight and proceed to checkout. Choose flight credit as your payment method and then enter the required details. Also note that flight credits expire 1 year from the original ticket issue date. Now lastly, we have paper travel vouchers. They require a more manual process. You want to go ahead and place your desired flight on hold via aa.com. And just like so, visit an American Airlines ticket counter at the airport with your paper vouchers and valid ID to complete the booking. You can also mail the voucher to the address provided by American Airlines, but this process can be time-consuming and less secure. Paper vouchers are typically valid for 1 year from the issue date and can be used to book flights for others. And that is simply how you can use American Airlines vouchers. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.